Hey friends, welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about why financial planning is key to having a stress-free year. Imagine a year where financial stress doesn't control your decisions. Sound impossible? It's not. And it starts with a plan. In this video, I will show you how to proactive financial planning can set you up for a year of confidence, clarity, and success. So one of the points I want to make is make your life stress-free financially. And how do you do that? Financial planning does reduce the guesswork and anxiety in your life, giving you the clarity on what to expect. I have an example of a client. Her name is Chris, and she was overwhelmed. Every January, she would be thinking about her taxes, and she didn't have enough money set aside for taxes. So in here at Mitchell Consulting, we do small plate accounting. We teach our business owners how to do small plate accounting. And this helps the business owner have discipline within their business. And if taxes is one of the things that stresses you out and you don't know where that money is coming from, if you would do just this one simple thing, it can reduce a lot of stress and anxiety. And that is every month you set aside funds to go for taxes. So money coming into your bank account, your total sales, take 15% every month. So when you take it in smaller chunks, it's not a lot. 15% is not a lot. But you set aside that money, and then by the end of the year, you will have a pot of money where you can use to pay your taxes in the following April, right? So Chris decided to do this last year, and she was very diligent and disciplined about setting aside funds every single month for taxes. It was just 15%. So at the end of the year, she had a wad of money. And we also knew that her tax liability was not going to be that high because of the way we captured her expenses in her business and reduced her tax liability. So by the time she has to pay the IRS on April 15th, Chris is able to also pay herself a bonus. And that is because we overestimated the amount of money that she needed to set aside for taxes. But what that did for Chris is it helped her create discipline in small, little, minute chunks. So at the end of the year, she had a pot of money and she wasn't stressed about making her tax payment for the year. The second thing is to align your finances with your goals. So what have you taken the time out to plan out your year and what you think your year is going to look like? Then what we need to do is align our finances with the goals that we have set for ourselves. And I know most people come up with this financial goal that they have for the year. And, sometimes that number is arbitrary and sometimes it's well thought out. And you're thinking about the activities you need to do in order to reach that goal. And that takes a look at what is working in your business and what is not working in your business. And when you are methodical about that and you're collecting the data of that as you're doing your business, you can more easily align your goals and the activities that you're going to do in your business to your finances, because you know that for every one person that you see or you connect with, then it's a 25% or 15% chance that they might become a customer. And it's only because you have collected the data in your business and aligned that data with your goals. The third thing is helping you as the business owner make better business decisions. So for instance, if you have a financial plan and you know what your expenses are every month and you know what your projected income is coming in every month, then you're more easily able to say yes to something or no to something. For instance, if you want to purchase an expensive software for your business, if you just look at your financial plan, you can see whether or not you can afford that or not. Whether or not you have the income coming in where you can just pay it outright, or you have saved up money in your profit account. And now you want to reinvest that money back into the business with this software because you know that by having this new software in your business, it's going to generate an ROI for you that's going to increase either your productivity or your revenue, right? And maybe this software is reducing some other expenses. So you can see a direct correlation between that financial plan and making a decision about purchasing an item within your business. Now, the third thing is being prepared for the unexpected. So as we sit here at the beginning of January, in the state of California, there are wildfires going on right now. And some business owners didn't have an emergency fund. They're done, right? Even though they may have insurance that can cover the assets that have been lost. But if you don't have cash right now, if you haven't planned ahead to have cash available to you in case of an emergency, like it's going to be hard to navigate through any type of emergency, not just something that's catastrophic like that. It could be a snowstorm, it could be an ice storm. It doesn't matter what the emergency is. If you're not prepared for it, then it doesn't matter, you know? But if you create just a little bit of discipline within your business, you can set aside funds even at a 5% rate, you know, and you can use those funds for a rainy day. And that's what they're there for. But it's also a safety net in your business so you don't have to be wondering where are the funds coming from before like maybe governmental help or anything like that comes to your aid. So, and the last step is just to take action. So take action on setting up your financial plan so that you're stress-free. And we all want to be stress-free, right? We don't want to be thinking about where's my next dollar coming from. But if you sit down and align your goals with your financial plan, you can reduce the stress that most business owners will go through. So at the end of this video, I want you to also watch a video that I did about the 5 financial goals you should have in your business. And these two things correlate very well. So just having money in your business can reduce stress also in your personal life. Like it may not be business related, but you're the owner, right? So it could be related to your personal life. So I want you to watch that next video and also give me a comment below. Like, do you love these tips? Are these tips some things that you have implemented in your business, or have you implemented other things in your business that reduce stress? So until next time, I'll talk to you soon.